Hi, Kate.
Introducing Dr. Scholl's custom.
Hi. Oh no. Hi. You wanna do some walking? Yeah, you wanna do some walking? Okay, hold on, let me hand the camera to mommy. Here we go. Now, do some walking? Let's do some walking.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at Sweepy! Look at Sweepy go! Yay! Oh my goodness, she's such a big girl! Yay! Look at that!
You gonna go back again?
Yay, Sweepy!
You one-handed?
I think you have to do all.
Yay!
And I think it's absolutely fair to say that people started feeling some sticker shock.
Look at Sweepy go! Look at Sweepy go!
He said,
Woohoo!
whether you want to have a constructive and positive attitude.
Yay!
By anyone in the Kennedy
You got
family.
some more?
Share that to me. What kind of life I wanted to lead.
Hi, Cooper.
A life filled with family.
There's Sweepy! There's Sweepy!
It
Yay!
was tragic. Tonight, the story the senator wanted to tell.
Woohoo! Yay!
Yes.
Yay!
Sure.
Blackmail.
Yeah.
And all this done by a former preacher.
Yes. And your point would be?
Another 60 Minutes gotcha? Nope. Another confession wrenched from an ace conman? Nope.
She's one of the few wasn't.
One of the last
There she goes! There she goes! She's a walking crazy girl. Look at her go! Whoa! Wow, sister! She's going backwards.
Crazy.
I'm Scott telling those stories.
She's going sideways.
Where
Look.
she wants to go.
She is silly.
Something new is happening at Eat Now. With special savings on select custom dining. You choose the style, we custom make it. It's more affordable than you think. Now with smart finance options for the way you live.
I had chronic muscle pain all over, and I was so tender to the touch, but I didn't know why. My doctor diagnosed it as
I gotta sit down now. I'm tired.
recommended
Yeah.
Lyrica.